Right, I've made a jig and it's too big, but I'm not bothered about that. I can make it again using the next size HDPE pipe. This was 32mm pipe and I'd calculated 32, but 32 is the inner dimension, so it's 35, so it's too big. But if I choose the 25mm, the OD is 28. The clips are just made out of a ring that's been cut up to clip an elastic. Well, they really got some stretch on them. They're loom bands to make these little loom bracelets. I thought they were ideal size and they're working good. So that's a dodecahedron, and every piece goes through exactly the same way. If you can see this, it goes through from the top of one across to a neighbouring one. It just goes like that. So you can see it goes the same, that goes the same, and those will come together to form a pyramid, one of the points. But then it's too, you can see it's too small. The dodecahedron's too big, but this is going to work. All you've got to do is keep putting them in the same way, and everything will come together. So tomorrow I'll get the 60 clips and elastics to hold the dodecahedron together, I think. Or is it 60 or 20? No, 20. And there'll be 20 more. No, it's 60. And there'll be 60 more to clip on these. So there'll be 120 of the bands. But there's 600 in the cheap kit. So I've got plenty of those little bands. And I can even colour code it. So this is going to work for sure, and it makes it very simple for sure. I just miscalculated because of using the inner diameter instead of the outer diameter of the pipe, and a bit of an oversight, I know. I should have measured. Anyway, tomorrow I'll get the next size down pipe, which is 25 inner diameter, 28 outer diameter, and that'll give me lots of stick out to line everything up, and it's going to work, I'm sure. It's very fiddly. I used the small with the kit, which was from B&M Bargains. There's some little hooks, they're not the greatest, but the smaller, there's two of the smaller hooks, and they were great for manipulating these around, and still very fiddly. You soon figure out how to do it though. So tomorrow I'll have this pretty well done, I think. I'm also going, once I've clipped together the dodecahedron, I'm going to hot glue all the joins and remove the clips, because they are in the, well, they're not in the way entirely, because they do give you a guide. I'm going to hot glue. Well, I will remove the clips, put a bit of hot glue either side of the clip, and then remove the clips to give me a bit more space for threading all these 30 of these things through. Alright, thanks for watching.